So everything today that we have been solving, it has been about 360 degrees. So there will be question types where they actually ask to rotate just 180 degree, but we want to see what is the difference. So let's say it's this particular graph here, 1 over x squared, but only for x more than 0. When they describe the volume, they have to describe that you will be rotating the shaded region 360 degree because it's only on one side of the y-axis. That rotation will produce this shape here. Let me just draw in the 3D looking diagram. Okay, it's going to look something like that. Okay, on the rotation, you still get a 3D solid as per expected because you're rotating 360 degrees. However, suppose your shaded region, let me highlight in blue and yellow in these two parts. What we want to observe over here is both parts are actually symmetrical across the y-axis. And it happens that the shaded region they describe has two portions, which are exactly the same symmetrical. So when you want to get the same solid, okay, I have actually listed the same curve. If you want the same solid, that means I want to find this volume. How should they describe the rotation? They should describe for you this rotation only about 180 degrees. Because each part, each segment rotate 180. This one goes 180. This part rotate 180. Altogether, it will produce for you still a 360 degree solid. That doesn't change. Because it's symmetrical, each part I just need to rotate 180 will do. We still end up with the same solid. So they must describe for you a 180 degrees, although there's no difference in the solid. Both diagrams produces the same volume, the same solid. Okay, therefore, you want to understand that questions are usually about going for a full solid. If it's going to be 180 degree, observe that the question should have a symmetrical region. Okay, so regardless of whether they ask for 180 or 360, there will be no change in the formula. We will be applying the same formula. Do not go and half it. You see 180 degrees, you thought it's half the solid. Usually not true. It will still be a full solid.